Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for attending. I have the pleasure and the honor to give you an overview of the composite world from Wickert. My name is Steve BUECHNER. I'm a sales engineer at Wickert Hydraulic Presses, and I want to talk about state-of-the-art composite molding on presses. Wickert has been challenged for more than 120 years in not only composite. Due to our location in the middle of the vineyards in our region, the first Wickert press was used for pressing grapes and fruits 120 years ago. Over the years, we developed a lot of presses for different industries, and today we can provide the complete turnkey solution, including handling systems around the press. Wickert has been owned and managed for 3 generations. We have 200 employees, and all of them are working in Landau in Germany in our facility. Most of our projects are starting with an idea. The idea from our customers, it has to grow, and we see us as a partner in this process. We will help to verify the idea and have a good concept as a basis for make the design and the development. And in the end, to have a turnkey tailor-made solution for our customer. We have all resources in-house, not only for engineering, for development, also for manufacturing. This gives us the possibility and the flexibility to go 100% in detail what our customers want to have and need to have. And we have the control of the quality. This is a very important point. Let's give you an example. This is a complete manufacturing line. In the middle you can see a 7-daylight press, including mold handling, unloading devices, storage, the complete line, complete control of the machine, of this manufacturing process is developed by Wickert. We are responsible for the complete safety of this machine, and we can provide the overall control, the connectivity to higher level to higher level controls, to save and help our customers to learn with the process. We delivered presses in composites for different industries, not only for aerospace, automotive. We are very in a big range. And of course, in different manufacturing processes. This is an example. You can see the manufacturing process of a A350 door in an RGM process. Our portfolio starts with, let's say, simple manual operated presses. go to more complex mold handling systems which are interacting with the operator, semi-automated lines, press lines with more than one press, with one common handling systems, multi-daylight presses, fully automated or robot cells. Let's go more in detail. This is a press for a German customer, it's a German institute, Neue Materialien Bayreuth. And they challenged us. They want to have a press for thermoplastic composites on a very high level. And this is not the end of the story. They want to do bead forms on this press, metal hybrid parts, and metal forming. And this is not so easy to combine this in one common system. And another challenge is the place we have, or that the customer has to place the machine in his facility was very limited. And in the end, we had a solution which works for all of these processes. We have 600 tons pressing force. We can do consolidation processes on high temperatures, heating and cooling processes, not only with the press. We also integrated a rock tool mold system. With this system you can reach more than 30 Kelvin per minute heating rates for the highest limit you can have on the market for thermoforming or consolidation processes. We can have thermoforming parts on this machine. We have an IR heater for preheating the parts, a very fast transportation system to avoid the cooling of the part. So in this case it was less than 4.5 seconds, leaving the IR heater to apply the full pressure in the press. In aerospace industry, it's common that you have this transfer in less than 6 seconds. Give you another example. This is a university in Germany. They are very close to the automotive industry. They came to us and said, we need a press which has to be very fast, with high tonnage. And it has to be automated. We worked together and find a solution which is very high level and state of the art in compression molding. So we can apply with this press 2,500 tons in less than 1 second. This is very, very fast. And if you stand beside the press, this is very impressive during this closing and pressure build-up. We also integrated robot systems, preheating systems, and had a solution for the complete process, starting with the preheating of the BMC material, transfer to the press, close the press very fast and parallel, unload the part, and bring it to the next process step. The parallelism of this machine with a size 1.5 by 2 meters is less than 0.3 millimeters during the complete closing and compression process. We reach this with, we call it planned parallelism control. So we have 4 additional cylinders on the lower side of the press, which are working against the pressing force and level the press plate on the right amount. Of course, connectivity, data logging, all process data has to be stored and help this institute or this university to develop new processes in the future. We also do presses for injection. This is not injection molding, this is a resin transfer molding press. In this case, was for a Japanese customer, and a normal RTM system works with approximately 6 bars. You have a cycle time, depending on the part size and thickness, several minutes, up to 1 hour. Here we integrate a high-pressure RTM system which use not 6, more than 100 bars. And with special resins, you can reduce the cycle time to a few minutes. What Wickert do for more than 50 years is producing presses for rubber industry. And in rubber industry, it's common to have a vacuum chamber around the mold to evacuate the complete air, to have no air in the product. And we transfer this technology to a RTM press. So we have here high temperature, up to 300 degrees, under vacuum, and the high pressure RTM unit, which is very, very unique. And on top, we have the same blend parallelism system we talked about before. It goes more and more from a manual operated press to complete manufacturing lines. To double the output, to have a better quality, or to reach the cycle times, you have to. In this case, we see a press for making structure parts for aerospace industry. The press itself is, from tonnage, is very less. It's 60 tons. But the tool concept, the tool fixing, the loading, the preheating of the parts is very special. And together, combined, it's very hard to reach all the cycle times you have to because of the product properties. Another challenge is that the quantity in this industry is very less, sometimes less than 10 parts. So you have a lot of mold changes. And this line has a second robot for doing this mold change fully automatic. We have a preheating station for these molds and transfer the molds to the press fully automated. Already preheated, so you can restart the cycle with another product immediately. To avoid sticking of the part in the mold, the second robot has also a spraying system for bringing release agent on the mold. I have to say now, come to our booth or give us a call, send you an email, challenge us. We will be here to help, to produce, to develop a machine tailor-made for your need. Thank you. Are there any questions? Then thank you.